This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 every hour just watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions about what we're talking about today in this video. Now guys, I just want to say thank you for helping this channel get to 7,000 subscribers. Thank you, I really appreciate it. It was a long journey, took months to get here, but we're finally here. And for helping this channel get to 7,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money. And I'm going to announce the 2 winners today in this video. But you have to keep watching all the way to the very end, because at the end of this video I'm going to announce the winners. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay family, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Media Rewards. So on this website you're going to watch TV, listen to radio, get rewarded. So Media Rewards is the easiest way to turn your media exposure into rewards. And all you got to do is put in your email, click join. Now, please continue to watch this whole video, guys, because when you sign up, you're going to get an email. And you got to follow those instructions in the email to be able to download the app and start making money. So please continue to watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, what is Media Rewards? So earn easy cash rewards just by watching TV, YouTube, and listening to the radio. To start making money and earning free gift cards, just install the app and leave it in the background, as easy as it sounds. So guys, all you have to do is just leave the app running in the background. You're going to be accumulating points and making money. So how it works. So sign up now. Every month we have limited spots. Download and fill out your profile to qualify. Watch and enjoy. The app runs smoothly in the background. Just sit back, relax, and start watching your favorite shows on TV. Then you're going to make easy cash, win points, take paid surveys, earn free cash, make easy cash, win points, take paid surveys, and earn cash and free gift cards. Now here's why everyone loves Media Rewards. The app is designed to respect your data and privacy and extremely light on your battery. So that's very important, guys. I know everybody is always worried about their privacy with these apps, so it's very secure. You don't have to worry about that. Now, what's your favorite way to spend a day? So a person that's using this app, this is what they said. Just leave the app running and get on with your life, all the while earning points in the background. Too easy. So this person said it's real easy to use this app, guys. You just let it run in the background and you go on with your day. Now, this app is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. And these are the ratings. So out of 5 stars, this one right here is 4.8 in the App Store, and in the Google Play Store is 4.7. So that's out of 5 stars, guys. That's very, very good. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is click right here where it says winners. Now, these are the winners because you get to win money on here. So as you can see here in the United States, these people right here won $50. And it's just not in the United States, that they also cater to Australia. Winners are there in that country, United Kingdom, India, and Mexico. And check out Mexico, $10,000 winners there. And India got $2,500 winners. So guys, this app is really, really great for you to check out and make some money. Now, what I want to do is show you an email that you're going to receive once you sign up. So after you sign up, this is the email you're going to receive. So right here it says you're almost ready to start earning easy rewards. Download the Media Rewards app now and activate your account by tapping the sign in button below. And they have Google Play and the App Store in here. So you just follow these instructions, guys. Install the app and you're ready to go. Okay, family, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money watching videos, go ahead and go to Media Rewards, download the app, and get started. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys. So again, thank you for helping this channel get to 7,000 subscribers. Next milestone is 8,000. We're getting closer and closer to that 10,000. We need to get there, guys, because the giveaway is going to even be bigger than the giveaway I'm going to give today. So what I'm going to do is pop up the 2 people that's going to win the free money. So here are the comments right here. Congratulations, congratulations. And here's the other person. Congratulations. Thank you for your comments, guys. And please check down in the comments. It's going to give you the instructions on what you need to do to receive your money. Make sure you have a PayPal account, because you're going to get the money through PayPal. All right, that's it. Thank you. Really appreciate it, guys. Next goal, 8,000. Let's go. Let's get there fast this time, guys. Let's go. All right, that's it. One more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.